The AI race just exploded. Alibaba, Baidu, Google, and even UAE's MBZUAI are dropping next-gen language models, from trillion-parameter giants to lightning-fast open-source systems, all aiming to outthink OpenAI and Anthropic. The question is, who's really winning the future of AI? Alibaba's Qwen team has unveiled Qwen3-Max, a pair of cutting-edge open-source language models released under Apache 2, free for commercial use. Unlike earlier versions, Qwen3-Max introduces a hybrid architecture that blends speed and accuracy, supports ultra-long 256K token contexts, and achieves major efficiency gains by activating only a fraction of its ADB parameters. Benchmarks show it rivals top US models at lower cost, with both Instruct and Thinking variants now available on Hugging Face, ModelScope, Kaggle, and Alibaba Cloud. Qwen team also has unveiled its largest AI model yet, Qwen3-Max Preview, Instruct, boasting over 1 trillion parameters. Early benchmarks show it outperforms the company's previous top model and competes closely with high-end systems like Claude Opus 4 and Kimi K2, handling reasoning, coding, and long context tasks with impressive speed. The model is available via Qwen Chat, Alibaba Cloud API, OpenRouter, and any coder, though it is not yet open source. With a massive context window and advanced capabilities, Qwen3-Max Preview signals Alibaba's push to lead in ultra-large AI models. Baidu has launched ERNIE-4.5 BA3B Thinking, a new open-source LLM optimized for advanced reasoning, tool use, and extended context tasks. Despite having 21 billion parameters, it activates only 3 billion per token, offering high efficiency for organizations with limited compute resources. The model excels at logical reasoning, math, science, and code generation, and supports structured function calling for tool integration. Available under an Apache 2 license on Hugging Face, it's compatible with fast deploy, transformers, and VLLM, making enterprise deployment straightforward. ERNIE-4.5 BA3B Thinking positions Baidu as a strong open-source alternative for researchers and developers tackling complex, context-heavy applications. A new open-source large language model, K2Think, has debuted, claiming to be the world's fastest and most advanced AI reasoning system. Developed by MBZUAI and G42 in the UAE, the 32 billion parameter model excels at math, code, and scientific reasoning while running efficiently on limited hardware. Permissively licensed for commercial use, K2Think is fully open source, including weights, training data, and tools. Its speed, versatility, and transparent release make it a standout in compact, high-performance AI models. ServiceNow's Zurich release brings agentic AI to enterprise workflows, letting users build production-ready apps with natural language via its new build agent. The update also adds AI-focused security consoles to protect data and API integrations, helping companies scale AI beyond pilots. By combining 20 years of workflow data with autonomous automation, ServiceNow aims to simplify enterprise AI deployment and challenge rivals like Microsoft and Salesforce. Stability AI, known for its stable diffusion image models, has launched Stable Audio 2.5, the first enterprise-focused AI audio generation model. The new model dramatically speeds up audio production, generating high-quality tracks in just 8 steps, while offering features like audio in painting and fine-tuning on custom datasets. Stability AI is also partnering with WPP's AMP to bring these tools to global clients, signaling that custom audio identity is becoming a competitive necessity. Enterprise AI company DevRev has launched Computer, a conversational AI designed to unify enterprise data, manage schedules, and act on tasks across systems like CRM, product backlogs, and communications tools. Currently in beta, it will see a wider release later in 2025, with a consumption-based pricing model aimed at both startups and large enterprises. Unlike traditional chatbots, Computer integrates with existing workflows via its computer memory knowledge graph and AirSync synchronization engine, enabling AI to update records, automate tasks, and generate insights while preserving permissions. Early testers report dramatic efficiency gains, including faster support response times and reduced manual work. While employees focus on higher-value tasks, DevRev positions Computer as an enterprise-ready AI layer, offering contextual, collaborative, and secure capabilities beyond simple search or summarization. Google DeepMind has uncovered a fundamental mathematical limit to vector embeddings, the backbone of AI tools like RAG and semantic search. The research shows that single vector embeddings inevitably hit a ceiling, unable to represent all possible document query relationships, even under perfect conditions. On DeepMind's new limit dataset, top embedding models from Google and Snowflake struggled, while the decades-old BM25 algorithm outperformed them. The takeaway: enterprises must move beyond benchmarks and consider hybrid or alternative retrieval methods to build more resilient AI systems. Anthropic has added workplace memory and incognito chat to its Claude AI platform, letting teams retain project context, control what's remembered, and even move memories between chatbots, all with opt-in privacy safeguards. The update aims to streamline collaboration while keeping data control in users' hands. A new system called Real Simple Licensing, RSL, aims to provide a scalable way for AI companies to license content. Backed by major publishers like Reddit, Quora, and Yahoo, the RSL protocol lets websites set licensing terms in their robots, TXT files, while the RSL collective negotiates royalties, much like ASCAP does for music. The big question is whether AI labs, long accustomed to free web scraping, will embrace paying for data at scale. Berlin-based AI gaming startup Born wants to reinvent AI companions by making them social rather than isolating. Its flagship app, Pengu, lets users co-parent a virtual pet with friends or partners, turning digital play into shared experiences. Backed by a new $15 million Series A from Excel and others, Born is now expanding globally and building new AI characters for its growing community. 3X, Google X scientists have launched TwinMind, an AI-powered second brain app that runs in the background, capturing conversations to build a personal knowledge graph. The app turns spoken thoughts, meetings, and lectures into structured notes, tasks, and answers, all processed locally for privacy. On a recent transatlantic flight, entrepreneur Mark Ruddock used a swarm of AI agents to build in 6 hours what would normally take a human team 18 developer days. Over 50 React components, mock APIs, an admin interface, and a full CI/CD pipeline. His experience reflects a broader leap in AI, where agentic swarms now create production-ready apps with testing, security, and DevOps built in. Experts say this marks a shift from vibe coding to coordinated multi-agent engineering, a paradigm already reshaping enterprise software development. Microsoft Research has unveiled RStar 2 Agent, a new reinforcement learning framework that helps large language models reason more efficiently at a fraction of the usual cost by combining algorithmic innovations with a high-throughput tool environment. The system enables models to think smarter, using Python tools to test, verify, and refine their reasoning. A 14B parameter model fine-tuned with RStar 2 Agent not only beat much larger models like DeepSeek, are one-on math benchmarks, but also produce shorter, more reliable answers. The findings open a path for enterprises to build cost-effective AI agents that deliver frontier-level reasoning without massive compute budgets. Thanks for watching. Hit like, subscribe, and drop your thoughts below. See you next time.